Welcome to this video segment where I, as a criminal lawyer, get to give you some tips about things that you might not know about. I wish everyone knew about this, and you might be a little surprised because we hear about judges, but how much are you actually able to talk to a judge, especially if you have an active criminal case? My name is Zachary Divelbiss. I'm a criminal defense lawyer, and hopefully this video helps you understand a little bit more about our justice system and things that we can and can't do. Number 17 here says, you are not allowed to speak to the judge about the facts of your case, not about anything that happened in your case. So you may want to write a letter to the judge or speak with the judge about the facts of your case, but this is not allowed. It is strictly forbidden to communicate with the judge about a pending case off the record outside of court. The judge will disregard any letters you send them or statements made by you professing your innocence. Blurting out facts about yourself or the charges against you in court could actually damage your case and make things worse. Let your criminal defense lawyer be your voice in communicating with the judge. This is very important. You probably had no idea about this, but the judge is not there to listen to you and why you might be innocent or why the person across from you, isn't telling the truth. That's what a trial's for. And if the judge happens to be your trier of fact to determine your guilt or not guilt, then that's the appropriate time to talk to the judge and tell them that. But in many situations, especially at the beginning of your case, you're not allowed to talk to the judge at all. And even us as criminal defense attorneys who represent you, we're not usually going to talk to the judge either. We don't want to give away good details about your case because we have to talk to the prosecutor as well in the presence with the judge. Instead, what we do is we negotiate with the prosecutors because the judge don't really control anything about your case until the very end. Whether you're going to accept a plea deal or go to trial, that's usually when the judge gets involved. There's not too much else other than that. Sure, the judge will require us to go to court, but the judge is just there to make sure that the prosecutor and the defense attorney are working on your case, and we don't just ignore it, because eventually your case will end up at trial, where the judge gets to play the game of let's go to trial. And the judge gets to call the balls and strikes of your trial. And even then, the judge doesn't really care what you have to say. It's not until sentencing that the judge really does something that involves you and what you want the judge to know. Understand, this might be a big surprise for you, but this is something we deal with every single day in our Arizona criminal justice system. So if you have a case and you believe we can help you out, please contact us. Set up a free consultation. We help keep good people out of jail.